Welcome to Idiots in Car TV, where the road becomes a stage and every second could be your last. From jaw-dropping crashes to wild road rage and instant karma served hot, we've got it all. Our videos are here to entertain you and remind you that in real life, safety always comes first. The reflexes of the driver of the black car saved him from disaster. The driver of the red sedan may not have been paying attention in this situation. Reckless overtaking on the highway at high speed can lead to serious consequences. It is important to maintain the correct speed and stay in the proper lane on the highway, asked ChatGPT. I wonder if the driver of the blue car might have fallen asleep. The red car turned left. The lane crossing was prohibited. Never overtake on a no-passing median as it can lead to disaster. What are you doing? The woman may not have engaged the handbrake when she parked the car, asked ChatGPT. Make sure to look carefully both ways before crossing the street. The pickup truck driver was driving as if no one else was on the road. What do you think about this situation? Leave a comment below. The silver sedan lost control while taking a turn at high speed. The black car ran the red light at the intersection, causing the above collision. After crashing into the utility pole, this guy tried to fix everything but didn't seem to succeed.
Jesus Christ!
So you think it's okay to just leave after a collision? The SUV sped through the intersection at high speed. Very dangerous. This cornering maneuver was truly unpredictable. The motorcycle rider was traveling at high speed at the intersection and failed to look in time. A chain collision occurred on the highway, but fortunately, no one was injured. Do you have something against me? Why did you drive straight into me like that? Don't forget to remove the pump nozzle after refueling. It could lead to serious consequences. The red car may not have seen the trailer attached to the black car. The yellow car is trying to escape from the police. celebration balloons in an unexpected situation. The vehicle kept moving even though the entire cabin had collapsed. If you were in this situation, how would you handle it? Trucks need to undergo timely inspections to prevent situations like this from happening. I don't understand why this guy drove his Bugatti Veyron straight into the river. Could this be considered intentional endangerment of others? You need to stop and look carefully at the intersection before crossing. The driver may not have seen the truck from a distance to slow down. The driver jumped out of the cement mixer truck when the brakes failed. A collision between a police car and a pickup truck. The blue car's driver crossed the road without paying any attention, nearly causing a disaster.